So, hi guys, a little update on project. As you can see, nothing drastic is changed except I got all the stuff out and all this is a new stuff. So paintings, brushes and stuff that I'm gonna need. First of all, I found these wooden beams that go through the wall. They just left it after they poured the concrete in. Great job. Fucking construction companies here in my country. Anyhow, now I will remove them at least maybe 10 centimeters or something like that, and then I will put the kit in, put the hydro isolation over it and paint it. So I didn't count with that job when I bought the garage, but what can you do? There's even a beam up there also left, and I'll take care of that. In this corner and in this corner I have I had a little moisture. I don't see is that the case right now, but for now we'll put hydro isolation over it and see if we need to do something from outside of the garage, because there are parking lots on the other side. This one I will cut down, as I said, and from this one, from this part, I will make a workbench. So I will need to lower it down for some 10 centimeters, but it will be rigid and good work table. What else is new? Well, so the plan is to take care of these shelves, take care of hydro isolation, and then start with painting. I will paint all the walls in white, and these shelves I will brush and paint it in black. Also I need to take care of these doors. They will also be black, and I will put this styrofoam, this foam like this, so it will give me a better insulation from the cold. I will also put the silicone up there, and after I'm done with the painting and everything, I will start with electric installations, put the new fuses, because right now I have a meter, but I don't have a fuses there, so I will put fuses, put out this junky cables there that are now placed here. I will just leave this one on the roof. It's good and I will use it, and I will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of sockets for electricity. I'll have lamps under these shelves. I'll have lamps up there, Here I'm gonna put also sockets for you know, router for internet and stuff like that. And here I will leave this switch. So it's not, unfortunately, there is no bikes in my videos right now, but I hope it will be soon. And I'm painting the floor in epoxy paint, so everything will be shiny and new. We will even paint these ventilations. I have ventilation in my garage that is great. I have two openings. I'll do one opening on the door, right up there, and these two, so I will have good ventilation in garage. So until next time, hope soon. I hope that I will soon show you when the paint is done. See you.